Hi Year 3, welcome to my first video, which is just a little bit of an introduction. Hopefully this video will last between 2 to 5 minutes, and I'm only ever going to make videos that last that long. So today's just a bit of an introduction. Hopefully you've all logged onto your Google Classroom, and I'm going to put up lots of different things over the next term and throughout the year. Right, okay, I wanted to share with you, first of all, the KHDA findings from the document that they gave us. And if we look down at the bottom, this is what we're focusing on here, the primary. Well, in primary, unfortunately, our progress was acceptable and our attainment was acceptable. And this is what they said in the document mentioning science specifically. And in red are kind of like the things that I've got my eye on and want to try and develop within the school. So if you want to press pause so you can read this at your own leisure, then do so now. Okay, well, the next slide I want to show you is my key objectives. These are the key objectives that I've placed on my action plan for science. Now, there are 6 of them, and maybe you would like to pause the video now and have a look at what I intend to do. Great, that just gives you a picture sharing the action plan so you don't have to read through the whole document. Right, very briefly, I just want to show you a couple of things. So, at the moment in Year 3, you should be looking at the unit Animals, Including Humans. Now, looking at the new national curriculum, this bit here, these are the statutory requirements. Very brief, there are only 2 points there. This is what you have to cover. And at the bottom, there's a little box there that talks about notes and guidances of non-statutory stuff that you can do. Okay, but you don't have to. Now, the exciting bit about this is that if I go to the Year 3 cover sheet, which I've given to Susie, your year leader, these areas here in green are exactly the same as the new national curriculum requirements. And I like to think of this yellow area here perhaps as ways that we could deepen the understanding within that unit. Now, I do have a staff meeting coming up very shortly where we can, as a staff, look at ways to deepen and come up with ideas of ways to deepen the learning in the units. But for now, I think it's a good start. So, the other exciting thing is that these 2 highlighted areas, which link to the statutory requirements, are also exactly the same as the KPIs on Target Tracker, which is going to be very useful when we come to assess our science. Okay, so your mission, very simply, hopefully by the end of next week, your mission is to stick in the science cover sheets into the children's science books and to begin to use the statutory objectives to plan from. And that's taken me 3 minutes and 45 seconds.